Question number 6. A and B started a partnership business on 1st April 2008. They contributed rupees 6 lakh and rupees 4 lakh respectively as their capitals. The terms of the partnership agreement are as under: interest on capital and drawings at the rate 6% per annum. So the capital is 6 lakh and 4 lakh. So the 6% of 6 lakh rupees 36,000, and for B 6% of rupees 4 lakh rupees 24,000. B is to get a monthly salary of rupees 2,500. So 2,500 multiplied by 12. Sharing of profit or loss will be in the ratio of their capital contribution. Their capital is 6 lakh and 4 lakh. So the ratio of capital is 3:2. The profit for the year ended 31st March 2019 before making above appropriations was rupees 2,07,400. It's a net profit during the year which was transferred from profit and loss account. The drawings of A and B were rupees 48,000 and 40,000 respectively. Interest on drawings amounted to rupees 1,500 for A and rupees 1,100 for B. Prepare profit and loss appropriation account and partners capital accounts assuming that their capitals are fluctuating. As I told in previous class that there are two types of partners capital: fixed capital and fluctuating capital. In case when the fluctuating capitals are given in the question, we prepare two accounts: first profit and loss appropriation account and second partners capital account. So here we start question from profit and loss appropriation account. See, interest on capital 6% per annum is given and the capital of partners are 6 lakh and 4 lakh. Interest on drawings are directly given for A 1,500 and for B 1,100. So no need to calculate interest on drawing. And the profit sharing ratio, he clearly stated that profit sharing ratio in their capital contribution. Their capital 6 lakh and 4 lakh. So the capital ratio is 3:2. See, first we prepared profit and loss appropriation account for the year ended 31st March 2019. This profit 2,07,400 which transferred from profit and loss account is given in the question. Then as we know, credit side is the income side. So the interest on drawing is an income for partnership firm. So by interest on drawing it is directly given in the question. For A 1,500 and for B 1,100. Total 2,600. Interest on capital is an expenses for the partnership firm. So 6% of 6 lakh on A's capital is 36,000 and 6% on rupees 4 lakh which is B's capital 24,000. 6 for the 24. The total interest on capital of A and B's capital is rupees 60,000. Then he said salary to B rupees 2,500 per month. So multiply by 12, it's rupees 30,000. And now the remaining profit, that is appropriation profit, will be distributed among the partners in their capital contribution ratio, and capital contribution ratio is 3:2. So the remaining profit, first get the total of credit side, Out of these, deduct these two items and remaining profit is 1,20,000. This 1,20,000 will be distributed among A and B. It's rupees 72,000 and rupees 48,000. In this question, fluctuating capitals are given, so we transfer this profit to capital account. If, please note, if nothing information is given in the question, we assume that fluctuating capitals are given. Okay. Now partners capital account. C. Interest on drawing is shown in both profit and loss appropriation and also in partners capital. But partners drawing is only shown in debit side of partners capital account. Here we start. See in first line what he said, A and B started business, means it's not an old business. अगर ओल्ड बिजनेस होता है और प्रीवियस ईयर से करंट ईयर में अगर हम कैपिटल या कोई भी चीज ट्रांसफर करते हैं तो बाय बैलेंस बीडी लिखते हैं, लेकिन यहाँ पर इन्होंने क्या बोला है, स्टार्टेड न्यू बिजनेस. सो दैट्स व्हाई हियर वी विल राइट बाय बैंक और कैश. दैट अमाउंट इज गिवन 6 lakh and 4 lakh. Their capital amount rupees 6 lakh, rupees 4 lakh. By interest on capital, which you calculated in profit and loss appropriation account, 6% of 6 lakh 36,000 and 6% of 4 lakh 24,000. Then salary to B. No need to write in S column. In B, 30,000 rupees. Then their profit and loss appropriation जो प्रॉफिट हमने P&L एप्रोप्रिएशन अकाउंट में निकाला था 72,000 एंड 48,000. पार्टनर्स कैपिटल अकाउंट अलग अलग बनाने की जरूरत नहीं है, एक ही फॉर्मेट में जितने पार्टनर होंगे उनका कॉलम बन जाता है. दिस इज डेबिट साइड, दिस इज क्रेडिट साइड. अब आप बोलोगे ये तो पार्टनर्स को मिल रहा है, क्रेडिट साइड क्यों लिखा है? सी, अगर फर्म कोई चीज पार्टनर्स को देगी, मीन्स पार्टनर्स को मिलेगा, तो उसके अकाउंट में हम क्रेडिट करते हैं, मीन्स जमा करते हैं. और अगर कोई चीज पार्टनर्स से ले रहे हैं या पार्टनर्स फर्म से निकालता है तो उसको डेबिट साइड में. जैसे ड्राइंग है, ड्राइंग पार्टनर्स निकाल रहा है तो उसको डेबिट में लिखेंगे. और ये सारी चीजें हैं वो उसको मिली है पार्टनर्स को, इसलिए क्रेडिट में लिखा है. नाउ टू ड्राइंग्स 48,000 and 40,000. It is given in the question in second paragraph, second line. To interest on drawings rupees 1,500 and rupees 1,100 is given in question. Now all the adjustments are completed. Now get the balancing. Obviously credit side के अमाउंट ज्यादा है, क्रेडिट में से डेबिट माइनस करेंगे तो जो हमको अमाउंट मिलेगा दैट इज कॉल्ड टू बैलेंस CD. मीन्स कैरी डाउन। ये कैपिटल बैलेंस जो बचेगा नेक्स्ट ईयर में कैरीड फॉरवर्ड होगा, इसलिए इसको बैलेंस बोलते हैं। टोटल फर्स्ट ए 7,08,000, 7,08,000। बीस टोटल 5,02,000, 5,02,000. Out of this total, deduct this item. Yes, dear student, this is their closing balance. Credit side, इनमें से इंटरेस्ट ऑन कैपिटल, सैलरी, प्रॉफिट एंड लॉस एप्रोप्रिएशन were shown also in the profit and loss appropriation debit side, and interest on drawing in credit side of profit and loss appropriation. Thank you.